How to scan your wallet on bscscan in order to show hidden coin. So guys, you have to understand that some of us, you indulged in airdrop, you did so many things. They are in your wallet. You might even have some token you don't know. So how do you go about it? Some people, through this process, they have been able to discover some hidden airdrop that they received without knowing. So what is the first thing? The first thing is you go to your trust wallet. If you are using a MetaMask, the same thing, you go to your MetaMask. Or if you are using an exchange wallet also, this strategy is applicable to each of them. So the first thing you have to do, you go to your trust wallet. Since it is a bscscan, so you go to this. Currently I'm doing it with a test wallet here. So I go to my trust wallet and look for BNB Smart Chain. Once I open my BNB Smart Chain, I click receive. As if I want to receive a token from somebody, I click receive and copy the address. Once I've copied the address, I go to my browser and open up bscscan.com. The link will be dropped in this video down below, so check the description of the video if you don't know to get the link. bscscan.com. This is how it looks like on a mobile. Then I will come here under BNB Smart Chain Explorer. Once I've gotten to this place, I will paste the wallet address here and click search. Once I click search, it will open up. I scroll down. Under this place they wrote token. You will see a drop down arrow. You tap it. It will now show, this drop down arrow will show me all the token that I have that is under BP20 tokens. So these are some of them. Some of them are not even showing in my wallet. So if you do this, you see some of them you hold that is not showing. So with this, any of them that you want it to show, is very easy for you to make it show. It's just easy. Let's say I want this what is it called? I want this secured. Okay, example, let me use this secured moonrat. If I want it to start showing on my trust wallet, I will click it. Once it opens here, I will copy the contract address where they wrote contract address. I will copy it. I've copied. I go back to my trust wallet. Once I go back to my trust wallet, hold on a sec, guys. So once I go back to my trust wallet, hold on, let me open my listing. Once I go back to my trust wallet, I will go back and add the contract address. So how you know how to add the contract address? If you want to add it, you toggle left. This icon here, this icon on by the right, you tap it and paste the contract address. Once you paste it, you have seen that it's not even showing. So I will tap it now and toggle it off. Once I toggle it off, it will now show. It will start showing on my wallet, which previously it was not showing. So you can use this to go back and check. There are some tokens you have, you don't even know that you have it. So you might find thousands of dollars. So that's it. So if you want me to record the one for how to scan the Ethereum blockchain to know if you have some ERC20 tokens, comment it down below. And also don't fail to subscribe to the channel. And if there is any other question you want, and turn off the notification so that whenever we upload any new video, you'll be the first to get notified. So do this, and any results you get, come and tell us by commenting down below. And also feel free to join our trading community by using the link down below on Telegram, where we share trade ideas and signals. Catch you inside our group, and peace. Keep learning.